What's up, yo everyone? We are here at Alegria with Wendy and JT. Today we're planning to go to the hot spring, and they said it's closed, but we'll try to check it out and see if they will, let us in. But for now, just a quick view of Alegria Heritage Park.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let 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 go.
I'm on my way to Cambais waterfalls alone, and it's 11 kilometers more. Let's go.
One eternity later.
Ano besh?
Kaya
pa besh?
let's see their 15 minutes, 20 minutes walk.
Finally made our way here at Cambais Falls. The entrance fee is 50 pesos. So the walk is not quite that long actually. Let's see what this falls has to offer.
Later.
We are back at MoalBoal beach and it's almost sunset. We're gonna do some snorkeling and check out the sardines if they're still fine. It's been a while. So MoalBoal is definitely a paradise of Cebu because, for one, at that point the zero can see like tons and tons and thousands of sardines, and that's the reason why I'm coming back here like almost every week like last year. Aside from that, there is also a white beach like a few kilometers away on the other side of this island. It's a white beach, so yeah, let's check out the sardines then.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let 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 go. You got to let it go.
Are you excited to go back to the water? Look, we're filming at the same time. Look at Dixon. I can't see him anymore. Okay.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let 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 go.
amazing. Wendy, how is the sardines?
The sardines are everywhere now.
I mean,
they're no longer...
last year, which is right down in that area.
Swim.
So if you're actually from here, we need to swim from there to that area. But right now,
sardines are
oh my god, it's just like everywhere. This is the perfect spot for you to get the sunset.
It is.
That bar, this area. I mean,
and the good thing is for free. So
it's free.
there's no entrance fee.
Yeah.
You got to let it go.
This actually serves as a detecting device, you know, used by the locals. Wait, I'm gonna read it. Good morning, everybody. Today is another beautiful day here in MoalBoal, Cebu. In MoalBoal, Cebu. I hate it.
Gotcha.
Right with me is another vlogger from Cebu, Melgin Salon. Go ahead to her channel, click subscribe, and like all of her videos. And of course, you've seen her before. I'm the Barbie now.